Hey Sophies, welcome back. Madam Sophie here again to do another tutorial. Well, it's not really a tutorial, but it's gonna be a lip swatch. So I recently picked up those j.cat beauty cosmetics. They call it Liptonix. It's described to be an extreme shimmer topper. Okay, so I know they're toppers, but I'm gonna try them just by themselves. So I just wanted to come do a quick tutorial using these lippies. Okay, so I purchased 5 of these lippies. At the time I purchased them, Auto Beauty had a promotion going on where you could buy one, get the other one free, or buy one, get the other half off. It was something like that. Don't ask me, I can't remember. But that's what was going on, and that's how I was able to purchase these lip toppers. I've really been looking forward to getting a really cute lip topper. A few of the lip toppers I've been using, they are okay, but they don't seem to be a lip topper of a good consistency. So definitely I need to pick those up. So if you'd like to see how these lip toppers swatch and show on my lips, please stay tuned. Also, if you're new to the Madam Sophie channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell because you gotta be part of the Sophia squad. You gotta be part of the Sophia squad because you're a sophisticated lady. That's why. Alright, so let's move right into the lip swatch. First lip swatch I'm going to do is this one over here. The name of this one is called Kinetic Energy. This is Kinetic Energy, and I really describe Kinetic Energy to be more of a bronze undertone. So let me reel you guys in so you guys can see the fun. The name of this lip topper is called Pebbles BFF. Pebbles BFF is the name of this lip topper. Pebbles BFF. One is Galaxy Glow. So this is Galaxy Glow, and Galaxy Glow has more of a rose gold look to it. Galaxy Glow, and it's a really cute color by itself. Even though yes, these are lip toppers, I would say go ahead and use it as a lip gloss because the color I wouldn't say that the color is very pigmented, but it's very true to what the color that is advertised. So Galaxy Glow over here. The next one is Supernova. Supernova is the name of this one, and I recently used this lip topper in one of my previous tutorials, and that was basically my trial of the topper. So Supernova is more of a purple color. Okay guys, apparently I cannot seem to find the name of this lip topper on the sticker back here. All the others have names except this one, but this color right here, if I look, I'm gonna try to see if I can get the name of this color online. If I can't get the name, I'm just going to leave the information on the screen. So this one, this is the very last one I'm going to be swatching for you guys today, and this one has more of a maroon tone to it. It has maroon and specks of gold in there. So this is very interesting. This is actually going to be my very first lip topper in that color. Normally my lip toppers are purplish, goldish, champagne-ish, but not this color. So let's try this out. Okay. Alright, so this is this color right here, the no-name color apparently, but I'm going to leave the name on the screen somewhere so you can see. So this is the very last lip topper that I swatched. I wouldn't really consider this to be a lip topper. I'd more consider it to be like a lip gloss that you could use more on an everyday basis. And even though, yes, the others are lip toppers, I would say go ahead and use it as a lip gloss on a daily basis, especially if you're that type of person who love lip glosses with the shimmer to it or the little specks of glitter in it. Definitely go for it. The consistency of these lip toppers are more of a thick consistency, but it's not thick to the point where you can't do that without your lip sticking. Okay, so I can do this without my lips sticking. I don't know if you guys have ever bought lip glosses from the Dollar Tree. You know, the LA Colors lip glosses that come in the little tube, and this thing is so thick that when you do this, your lips stick together. This is not the case with this lip topper. It's comfortable. I have it on right now. I feel very comfortable wearing it. It does not give you an uncomfortable feel. It is not tacky to the. I think they're a good buy. I believe they retail for about $4.99, $3.99. I'm gonna leave the price somewhere on the screen. I think that's the retail price, but then again, I was able to purchase them when they will buy one get one half off or buy one get one free. But some promotion like that I was going on just on the j.cat Beauty Cosmetics brand on Ulta's website, and that was where and how I was able to purchase these items on the Ulta Beauty website. I can only get j.cat Beauty's products on Ulta Beauty's website online. So if you're that type of person who regularly order things on Ulta Beauty online, this is something that I think you should get if you're looking for a very reliable lip topper or really good lip topper, because I think they are superb. I love the pigmentation. I love how they swatched on my lips. It is very comfortable to wear. Even though, yes, it says that it is a lip topper, I still believe that you could use it as a lip gloss. So certainly if you that type of person who love lip glosses with those specks of glitters, I think that you should go for it. I have no clue as to how well they will perform if you were to put them on and have it on for a few hours. I don't know how well it's going to perform, but I've also used the Supernova lip topper as a lip topper on one of my tutorials, and I really love the shimmer it was able to bring to my lips when I was using it. So again, go get these if you're looking for a very good lip topper. It's gonna save you some serious moolah, because I know that there are other lip toppers out there from other high-end brands that are an arm and a leg to purchase for one. So these are very affordable if you're looking for an affordable lip topper that actually works. It does work. And if you'd like to see the tutorial that I did using these items as a lip topper, I will have that information in the description box. So if you'd like to see that, please go to the description box to see that. So again, are these Sophy approved? Yes, these j.cat Beauty Liptonix lip toppers are certainly Sophy approved. They are affordable, they work. You could use it as a lip gloss, you could use it as a lip topper. I don't know how long it's gonna last if you put it on and you go out there for a few hours, but these are definitely a keeper. If you have something already that is really good for you and is working for you very well as a lip topper, you don't really need to get these. But if you're really looking for a reliable lip topper and you don't have any in your collection, I think that these you need to go get these. Okay, so this is my take on this product. I hope that you like this tutorial. That's going to be it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and if you're new to the Madame Sophy channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. You gotta hit that notification bell to be part of the Sophia's Mix, and you gotta be part of the Sophia's squad because you're a sophisticated lady. That's why. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today. Once again, thank you for tuning in. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be you, and don't forget to be Sophy. Bye, honeys.